Making mistakes is better than faking perfection. Welcome again in chemistry world. In previous online class, we have discussed about nylon double six and bakelite. I repeat, nylon double six is the polymer of hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid, whereas bakelite is the polymer of phenol and formaldehyde. Firstly, after condensation of phenol and formaldehyde, ortho and para-hydroxybenzyl alcohols are formed. Ortho-hydroxybenzyl alcohol condenses to form linear polymer novolac. Ratio of phenol and formaldehyde is less than 1 during the formation of novolac. Very important. In other hand, ortho and para-hydroxybenzyl alcohol get condensed by cross conjugation and bakelite is formed, which is a cross-linked polymer. Bakelite is a thermosetting polymer and mainly used for making switches, handles, cases, and cases of radios, TV, computer, etc. In today online chemistry class, we shall discuss about biopolymer, biodegradable polymer, and non-biodegradable polymers. What is the ratio of phenol and formaldehyde during formation of rishol? I repeat, what is the ratio of phenol and formaldehyde during formation of rishol? Do comment. Now we read biopolymer. Here, bio means plants and animals, so natural polymers which are essential for growth and development in plants and animals are called biopolymers. For example, proteins, lipids, nucleic acid, starch, saccharides, etc. Next point is biodegradable polymers. Very important. Natural or synthetic polymers which are decomposed by bacteria into smaller molecules are called biodegradable polymers. For example, very important, PHBV, nylon 2, nylon 6, etc. They can of both types, natural and synthetic. In biological systems, polysaccharides, proteins, nucleic acids are degraded enzymes, thus they are biodegradable polymers. Now next point is non-biodegradable polymers. These are synthetic polymers and cannot be biodegradable. Example, polythene, PVC, Teflon, Dacron, or Terylene, bakelite, etc. are the example of non-biodegradable polymers. Non-biodegradable polymers are very useful in daily life as these are non-biodegradable. Their waste management, very important. Their waste management is a serious problem. So, such polymers are synthesized which can be degraded. Some of them are: first is PLA, mean polylactic acid. Polylactic acid. It is a thermosetting polyester. It is prepared by the polymerization of lactide or lactic acid. It is lactide or lactic acid. After polymerization, PLA is formed, cleavaged by carbon oxygen covalent bond, sigma bond. So, to write the structure of PLA, from that end OCH, here one hydrogen is present on carbon because carbon is tetravalent element. CO whole N, after this CO OCH3, as similar to the part. It is lactide molecule. Next, usage of PLA. Mainly it is used in medical field for making stitches, dialysis, etc. Now next, biodegradable polymers is PCl, polycaprolactone. It is a low MP polyester, very important specialization of PCl. It is a low MP polyester and is obtained by polymerization of caprolactone. So, so it is caprolactone molecule. In this molecule, there are 7 elements are present in the ring. 6 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 oxygen atom are present. After polymerization of caprolactone, PCl is formed. In this process, in this polymerization, carbon oxygen bond is cleavaged, and for the structure of PCl, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 CH2 groups are present in the carbon chain, so we can write it in the way CH2 whole taken 5, C double bond O whole taken N. It is the structure of PCl. PCl is a biodegradable polymer which have low MP. Now next, usage of PCl. PCl is mainly used in making controlled drug releasing capsule. Very important. Controlled drug releasing capsule, when medicines enters the human body by those capsule, ester chain of PCl starts to decompose, drug is released slowly. Now next, third biodegradable polymers, that is PGA, polyglycolic acid. It is linear aliphatic polyester. Aliphatic polyester. It is the specialization of PGA. It is linear aliphatic polyester which is prepared by polymerization of glycolic acid. It is glycolic acid. After polymerization, glycolide is converted into PGA. In this polymerization, carbon-oxygen bond is cleavaged. So, we can write the structure of PGA in that way, similar to PLA. Now next point is usage of PGA. PGA is a very strong fiber and is soluble in water. So mainly it is used in making stitches. These stitches dissolve atomically in water. Next, fourth biodegradable polymer is PHBV. Very important. Full meaning of PHBV is polyhydroxy co-beta hydroxyvalerate. I repeat, polyhydroxy butyrate co-beta hydroxyvalerate. It is a biodegradable polymer. It is the copolymer of 3-hydroxybutanoic acid and 3-hydroxypentanoic acid. Very important. These are the monomer of PHBV. So, N molecules of 3-hydroxybutanoic acid and N molecules of 3-hydroxypentanoic acid. After polymerization, condensation polymerization, so N molecule of water is eliminated and PHBV is formed. It is PHBV, biodegradable polyester. Very important. Sorry, CH2. Next, usage of PHBV used in orthopedic devices, especially packing and controlled drug release. Next, biodegradable polymer is nylon 2, nylon 6. It is the polymer of glycine and aminocaproic acid. Aminocaproic acid. Here, capr means goat. So, I repeat, it is the polymer of glycine and aminocaproic acid. In monomers, there are 2 and 6 carbon atoms are present respectively. So, it is known as nylon 2, nylon 6. It is a biodegradable amide. So, N molecule of glycine, we shall read in chapter 9, glycineto is a ligand. So, N molecule of glycine and N molecule of caproic acid. After polymerization, here N molecule of water is eliminated. So the structure of nylon 2, nylon 6 is it is nylon to nylon 6, very important polymer. Now we take some questions for exercise. What is PHBV? Very important question for your competition and board also. PHBV means polyhydroxybutyrate co-beta hydroxyvalerate polymer. PHBV is an important biodegradable polymer. It is used in especially packing orthopedic devices and controlled release of drugs. Now next question for exercise. What is the other name of PAN? Very important. Solution is Orlon or Acrylon. Next question for exercise. Arrange the following polymer in increasing order of intermolecular forces. Nylon 66, Buna, Ash and PE. Solution is, we know that Buna, Ash and polythene are the addition polymers and nylon 66 is a condensation polymer. So Buna, Ash, PE and nylon 66. That is the order, increasing order of intermolecular forces. Now next question is, write the main difference between Novolec and Bakelite on the basis of their structure. Very important. Solution. Novolec is a linear polymer but Bakelite is a cross-linked polymer of phenol and formaldehyde. Now we take some questions for homework. Which polymer is used in formation of bioplastic? Next question for homework. Give the structure of PP, mean polypropylene. I hope you liked this video. Thanks.